Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the ascii function, and what happens with computers is that when you are doing certain programs, or you're making programs. So what happens is on your keyboard what happens is I'll show you the on-screen keyboard. Um, mm, just a minute. Okay, so I'll try to show you on the on-screen keyboard. So what happens is yeah. So all these keys that you see, all of the keys on your keyboard have a certain value attached to it. It's called the ASCII code, so that it's a standardized code that's used everywhere for all machines. So that when you're switching machines, it's not that one machine is different from the other. Everything is standardized. So I mean, there's a set standard. So for example, a letter A will have a standard code, then this letter B will have a standard code, C will have a standard code, all of it I will have a standard code. Similarly, if I'm using some numbers, for example 14 is a number, 15, 16, 17, so all of them would be associated to a particular character. Could be a number itself, could be the string value as well. All right, so let's see how qbasic can determine those values. I have opened the emulator program, and we'll straight away start typing. So I am typing print. First of all, um we want to use the ASCII, and with ASCII ASC, we want to find out the particular value of any sort of an alphabet. So I'm writing ASC, then the bracket sign. So I have used print ASC bracket sign. Then the two brackets are there. Within those brackets, you have to write some sort of a character. So I am writing F. Yeah, F is there. Once done, you can. I'm also talking about one more command line here, that is chr string value, chr dollar sign. So with chr string value, you can convert a normal string value to a particular ASCII code. So every sort of an alphabet or a special character that you see has a respective number associated, so it can be interconverted so that the machine can understand. Machines will understand numbers, it will not understand what's A, what's B. So I want to give my machine a command that print the the string value of, again the bracket sign. In the second line we have print chr dollar sign. Then over here I want the string value of 45. Yeah, let's see what it gives. I click on run. Yeah, click on run and then start. So I'm getting 70, but I'm not getting anything after that. It's just a blank, and this whole thing is there. Again, we go back to the program. Every time we just have to make sure we are adding CLS to clear the screen. Then enter, then run, then start. Okay, 70 is there, but we don't know what's the other one. So I'm changing 45 to CHR string value. Instead of, if it goes out of the range, it can happen. I am trying to use certain range. Maybe let's see what 5 has to give. Run, start. Okay, now you can see them some special character. Number 70 is there and a special character is there. So yeah, let's do one thing. Since we know that F has a value of 70, let me let me go back to the program, and instead of anything else, I'm using chr string value, dollar sign, and then 70. So cls print asc, uh, in quotations F. Next line print chr, dollar sign, and then 70, and then we have to click on run. This will start the program. 70 and f. Now we know that f has a certain values. That's what we have. Even the small letters will have some value. Let's try to do that. It says 70 and f, capital F. I want to know about the small f. So let me do change it to small f. Yeah, we're just doing it for one character this time, and let's click on run again. So it says 102. Earlier we had 70 and then 102. So now I'll get back to my screen, and then we'll change 70 to 102. So I'm changing 70 to 102, and then click on run. Yeah, and now I have a small f. So I have 102 and small f. This is what we used while we are using the two commands that we have. Uh, one is using ASCII code. So for anything you want to find out the ASCII code, you can use that. You can use special characters as well, um, and then the CHR value. So in machine language, it can be useful, especially for programming when you're trying to match things. So two functions we have covered: ASC ASCII code, and then the CHR string value. All right, thank you.